Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Zaggle Kuber gift card code and verifying the exact characters. Transcription errors are the most common issue. Sign in to Amazon now and go straight to gift cards or your payments. This saves time versus navigating account menus. Make sure the Amazon country setting matches the card currency, because a mismatch can block redemption. Once signed in, choose Add a Gift Card and prepare to paste the code cleanly without extra spaces or punctuation. You now paste or type the Zaggle Kuber code into Amazon's Redeem field. Copy-paste reduces typos, but visually confirm characters once done. Click Apply to add the amount to your Amazon balance. Amazon will show a confirmation and the new balance immediately. If you plan to use the balance for a purchase, select it at checkout as your payment method. If the value is partial, Amazon automatically uses the balance first and charges the remaining amount to your default payment. You finish by selecting Amazon balance at checkout so the redeemed Zaggle funds are applied to your purchase. Make sure the order total reflects the deduction before confirming. If the code fails, recheck region settings, expiry date, and any leading or trailing spaces. These are common problems. Should errors persist, save screenshots and the transaction or order ID, then contact Zaggle support first and escalate to Amazon help with the same evidence. This speeds resolution and prevents duplicate charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.